Coming up, I will discuss how to upgrade your email marketing with more email opens, reads, and click-throughs. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. Whether you like it or not, people judge your email by your subject line. That's why it's essential to craft subject lines that will get people to open your email and click through. Researchers have found that 47% of marketers test different subject lines to optimize them. However, there's always a lot of room for improvement. In a crowded email inbox, you must focus a lot of time on your subject lines. Research shows that 1 in 3 people open an email solely based on the subject line. Even though your subject line is a small part of your overall email, it's the difference between success and failure. How do you get your emails open, read, and clicked? Are there some helpful tips? What are some best practices for making an average subject line great? Yes, there are some simple yet powerful ways to help you turn your great subject line into an elite one. Number 1, pique curiosity. Ask yourself this question: how will my readers benefit from opening this email? If you can't answer this question, you have a problem. Email subject lines work because they get your readers to act. In a crowded inbox, are you piquing the curiosity of your readers? Humans are naturally curious. We want to know what lies ahead, and we want to learn new things. A good example is this email from CoScheduler, a marketing software provider. Their subject line is, "We don't normally do this." You are wondering what they are talking about and why their normal behavior changed. You don't want to know and feel the fear of missing out or FOMO if you don't open the email. CoScheduler does an excellent job of matching their subject line with their body copy. CoScheduler offers a free 14-day trial and free course access for a year. Number 2, have a sense of urgency. Research has shown your brain wants to make quick decisions in a crisis. When your readers feel a sense of urgency in your email, they have a greater chance of making a decision. Creating a sense of urgency encourages your email readers to act. The key is to strategically place this sense of urgency into your subject line. One of the best ways is to create a deadline. Determine the end date of a specific sale or promotion. In the body of your email, include a countdown clock. You could create a series of emails with the countdown. For example, 1 week until this promotion ends, 1 day until the sale is over, 1 hour until the deal is gone forever. When you highlight their time is running out, they will more likely make a quick decision. Number 3, be honest. Be as honest as possible so your recipients can make an informed decision. Tell them what they are going to get when they open your email. One of the best ways to show your honesty is to be casual in your approach to your subject line. Readers are more likely to open your email when it impacts them in a personal way. If the email comes from someone they know, they will be interested. Think of your emails as a series of conversations. You need to ensure you're interacting with them honestly and growing the relationship into a meaningful and solid one. Number 4, use personalization. Every recipient is different, so that means that they shouldn't send the same thing to everyone. When you personalize your email subject line, you include details that are relevant to them, such as their name, occupation, industry, purchase, or other personal details such as their birthday. Research has shown this personalization of subject line increases open rates and produces higher click-through rates. Many marketing automation and email service providers have ways to add personalization tags to your subject lines. Use them. We have a lot of data on our recipients, so it's essential to put it to good use in your email subject lines. Number 5, be relevant. When you craft your email subject lines, make sure they incorporate trending topics and timely headlines related to popular culture and news. The email should communicate exactly what the content is all about so the recipient can prioritize your email without opening it. You are more likely to be a higher priority when you're relevant. Your readers want to keep informed and learn about a timely topic. Number 6, time it right. Timing is everything. For example, many people don't check their emails on the weekends. Sending an email is about sending it at the right time with the right subject line. This makes a significant difference in your open and click-through rates. Test the time that is best for your readers. Is it better to send your email in the morning, afternoon, or evening? What day of the week is best? For example, research says the best day with the highest open rates is Friday, and the best day with the highest click-through rates are Wednesday and Friday. Also, time your email based on your relationship with your recipients. An excellent example of this is if pharmacy says in the subject line, your prescription is expiring. You're more likely to open the email because you want your medicine. Timeliness is critical to success. Number 7, be concise. Research shows that 50% of emails are opened on mobile phones. That's why it's essential to put your most critical information in the beginning. If your subject line has too many characters, it might get cut off. People scan their inboxes quickly, and you're more likely to get opens if your subject line is clear and concise. It's better to be brief and straightforward than to be complex and flowery. A good rule of thumb is to keep your subject line under 50 characters. Research has found that 3 to 4 words are the ideal length for a subject line. Don't use unnecessarily words when space is scarce. Make every word count. A good tip is to use numbers with limited space because research shows that numbers produce a 45% higher open rate. Number 8, make people feel special. Your readers love new things and experiences. When those are free or discounted, your readers will feel special. Readers are more likely to open an email if there's an illusion that you will get something others are not. When people feel like they are an insider, they feel like they belong to a special community. This builds loyalty and encourages engagement. Exclusivity is a powerful marketing tactic. Some phrases to make your readers feel special include an exclusive offer for you, private invite, or exclusive offer for customers only. Number 9, tell stories. Storytelling is a fundamental part of marketing. People love stories. It enables you to build a personal and meaningful relationship with your readers. Don't be scared to tell stories about yourself because it will increase your authenticity and credibility. Use curiosity gaps in your stories to get your readers to open and click through. For example, you could say, how I grew my business by insert number using insert product in only insert time of days. You can't tell an entire story in a subject line, but you can tease and introduce a story. Stories can help you increase emotions. Emotions drive sales because 80% of sales are influenced by emotion. Number 10, don't forget about the preview text. Don't forget about your preview text. It gives you more real estate to tell your readers what they're getting when they open your email. The preview text is a short sentence that displays below the subject line in email clients such as Gmail and Outlook. It gives your readers a sneak peek into the content. When you take advantage of preview text, you can build upon your story, like how a subtitle helps your blog article title. A preview text can serve as your second subject line. Engaging with your readers is a wasted opportunity if you don't optimize your preview text. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. There are 10 simple yet powerful tips to improve your email subject lines. Pique curiosity, have a sense of urgency, be honest, use personalization, be relevant, and time it right. Furthermore, be concise, make people feel special, tell stories, and don't forget about the preview text. You can upgrade your email marketing with these tried and true tips. You probably have great emails. Now you need elite subject lines to make the next step in your email marketing. Thank you for watching. Until next time.